Finna is Haaga-Helia's online library. Here you'll find both printed and electronic materials. Always remember to log into Finna with your Haaga credentials. That means your Haaga-Helia username and password. Only when you're logged in will you have access to all the e-resources. Finna offers two types of searches. Let's start with the basic search on the homepage. Type keywords that describe your topic into the search box. For example, sustainable business. The basic search in Finna finds printed books, ebooks, theses, journals, and Finnish research articles. You'll also have access to printed books from all three AMK libraries, Haaga-Helia, Loria, and Metropolia. However, ebook licenses are specific to each university, so make sure you use the link Licensed for Haaga-Helia when opening an ebook. If your search results list is very long, it's a good idea to narrow it down. The filtering tools are on the left. You can filter by material type, such as only ebooks or printed books. You can also limit by campus or collection, for example, books from the Pasila library. Other filters include publication year and language. You can also refine your results by adding more keywords. The second search option in Finna is the International Article Search. This search finds English language articles from scientific journals, trade magazines, and periodicals. In the article search, it's best to filter results to full-text articles so you can read the entire article. You can also filter by content type, publication year, or language. To improve your results, put your search term sustainable business in quotation marks for a phrase search. Or add keywords that describe a specific perspective. In the search results, you'll see which database the article comes from. To read the article, click the database name. You'll be taken to the actual database where you can open the article as a PDF. Finna's International Article Search is a quick way to search multiple databases at once. However, it can't search all Haaga-Helia databases. You'll find all Haaga-Helia databases in the A to Z databases list or in the LibGuide called How to Search for Information.